The Air Jordan 10, often overshadowed and reportedly disliked by Michael Jordan himself, is making a notable comeback in 2026. Jordan brand plans to revive the silhouette with both original and newly imagined colorways. Among the upcoming releases is a women's exclusive chalk, Hydrangeas and Wild Grape edition, reported by Romania's sneaker market. This spring-ready design features an off-white leather upper accented by rich purple tones on the tongue, laces, and inner lining. The outsole, famously inscribed with MJ's career achievements, is also expected to receive a seasonal refresh. While no official or early images have been revealed yet, that's likely to change by late 2025. This reintroduction gives Jordan brand a fresh chance to shine a light on the often overlooked Air Jordan 10, blending nostalgia with modern flair. Stay updated through Nike.com Jordan for confirmed release details as the launch window approaches in spring 2026.